Hmm.
Bone was fractured and exposed. So they have done chemotherapy for the fractured part. So chemotherapy for bettering the condition. So that the one is definitely so actually, if there have been no skin injection, so if they have gone for the injection, but as she was having a large, large flesh injury, that's why the flesh injury is looking large, more than that definitely it will have some infection in it.
Ultimately, what will you help?
Ultimately, definitely means when the flesh injury heals completely, then these all these things and bars will be removed, and then they will fix the bone and filling all many nails.
In future, what can follow me?
No, sir. In future, if the infection does not heal and it infects the bone, then it will it will not heal. But if there is no such complication, then won't heal completely. There will be no problem. Then after definitive fixation, after 3 or 4 months, everything will be right. And after within 1 year, after that, 1.5 year, and it is
Come on, go. Come on. It's someone else.